All right, we'll get you back to court in the deadly daughter murder trial in just a moment. But first, let's discuss with National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, going right down the line, as we discussed earlier, sort of attacking the points where his testimony was the weakest. And quite frankly, again, when you talk about this dissociative thing and this fugue state and the idea that maybe she didn't remember killing her mom, those are the things that, to me, are the toughest to sort of buy. Because, again, she starts calling friends, but it kind of plays into the narrative as well, because if she didn't remember what she did, then she sees that she kills her mom, and she's got this sort of maybe out of the fugue state. Why isn't she more panicked and saying, oh my God, you know, this happened or something happened here, come and help me? It doesn't seem that way, and I think, again, that still remains the toughest thing to explain.
Well, he explained it earlier in the day in his testimony. He did say that he was specifically asked, why wasn't she panicked? And he said if she panicked, that would mean that she did not have dissociative fugue. The fact that she did not panic shows that she did in fact have dissociative fugue. Also, we have something that sheds light to all of this. That's not testimony. That's not his opinion or anybody else's opinion. The victim in the case is testifying in her favor. Her stepfather is testifying in her favor. And when he testified, he said, I still speak to her every day on the app, on the Skype, whenever they allow me to do it. He was shot, and his wife was shot by this kid, and he was shot by the kid, and he's testifying in her favor. And one more thing. We see her on the camera right now in a T-shirt. Note to all defense attorneys, when you have a kid, an actual child you're representing, don't dress them up in the courtroom as though they're an adult. I wanted to see her in a T-shirt and jeans and sneakers in that courtroom so the jury could see her. But they're looking at her in an adult, in that outfit, that ensemble. She looks like an adult. That's a whole side note. But to answer your question, Michael, you know, I feel like the fact that her stepfather is testifying in her favor, and that Dr. Andrew Clark has already said that the fact that she did not panic in that video shows me that she was in fact going through a dissociative fugue state. To me, I've been convinced. Maybe I just like that Dr. Andrew Clark too much, Michael. Maybe I'm his fan, but that's my opinion on this.
All right, that's a good analysis there, but let's get you back into court now.